We'll guide you through how to fix your PS4 controller not connecting. If you guys find this useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's jump into this.
I will be covering 3 methods in this video. The first method is to check if your PS4 controller is turning on. The first thing that you could do to check that is press the PS button and hold it and see if it starts lighting up in the back. If it doesn't, that might mean that your controller is out of charge or the battery is emptied out. What you should do to fix that is to take your PS4 charger cable that is right here, or any cable that is USB to micro USB, and plug it into your PlayStation 4. So let's take the micro USB part and plug it into our controller right here. And now that we have plugged this part into our controller, we take the USB part and plug it into our console. And now, as you can see, our controller started to light up. That is the first method. Now let's disconnect it for the second method. For the second method, you will need a toothpick or a SIM ejector tool or a bobby pin, anything basically that is really thin and sharp. So the second method is to hard reset your controller. You take your controller and you flip it over. Now that you have flipped it over, you locate this hole right here next to the bolt, and you take your toothpick or any object that you chose and you shove it in there, as you can see, and you wait 5 to 10 seconds. This will hard reset your controller and it should fix any issues that you have using your controller. And now let's move on to our last method. This might be a really simple solution, which means that you should only try to restart your PlayStation 4 to basically turn it on, off, and on. To turn off your PlayStation 4, you press and hold the power button until this screen turns off, and then you wait for your PlayStation 4 to completely turn off. What I mean by that is you wait for it to stop making sounds. After that is done, you will need to turn it back on. I'll be back as soon as I turn it back on. And now we are back inside of the PlayStation. As you can see, here is my controller. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.